Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Zemith. So Zemith is a tool that lets you access all the top AI models. It could be from OpenAI, so ChatGPT or GPT-4o, or it could be from Google Gemini, so Gemini 1.5, and then there is also Anthropic Claude. So you can get all of the top AI models in one place with Zemith. And other than that, there are also various other features such as the chat feature, the web search feature that is very similar to Perplexity, and then there are also note-taking, document analysis, and even image generation with Zemith. And Zemith is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $49. And keep in mind the price is going to increase in 6 days, so if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are two tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 is going to cost $49. Here you get 3000 AI credits monthly. And then there is also tier 2. So it is going to cost $279. And here you get a massive amount of AI credits, which is 17k. And then there is also some other features such as unlimited usage of Gemini Flash model. So on the tier 1 you do not get that, but on tier 2 you can have unlimited usage of Gemini Flash models. And then there is also the video generation feature that is also not available on the tier 1, but you are going to get access to this feature on the tier 2. And then there are some other features such as all the core features, access to all the AI models, on-demand credits, note auto-sync feature, access to all the latest feature, as well as whiteboard auto-sync feature. So all of these features are going to be available on both tier 1 and tier 2. So if you want to buy Zemith on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how this tool is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here is the roadmap. Here's the roadmap of Zemith. So you can see all of the features that are in progress or the features that are already added, and also the features that are going to be added very soon. So the backlog feature or to-do features. So there are some very good in progress features such as the Android and iOS mobile app. And then there is also another feature that is currently in progress, introducing different type of web search format and also ability to search chat by chat title or messages. And then some features are already added such as the DeepSeek V3 as well as R1 model. So both of these models are beating O1 as well as ChatGPT or the GPT-4o. So both of these models are already available on Zemith. And then there are also some other features that are on backlog or to do. So they are also going to be added very soon. Now let me show you how Zemith is going to work. So once you log into Zemith, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. So currently we are on this home page, and here you can take a look at all the features at a glance. So first of all, they have a very interesting feature that is called this Focus OS. So what it does is, let me open this. So what it does is brings all of the main tools, all of the primary features of Zemith in one place. So as you can see, you can chat with the AI models directly from here. You can also open a secondary chat window. You can also take your notes directly on here. You can get creative and generate some images or remove background from images. You can access the library. You can also open the whiteboard in order to art something. And also there is the timer as well as the news section. So this Focus OS gives you all the AI powered tools just like a desktop like interface. So you do not have to switch to different features such as chat or note or whiteboard or creative frequently. You can get all of them on here. If you open this Focus OS, this particular window, you can get all of the features in one place. And then after the Focus OS, we have this chat feature. So here you can talk with the AI. You can have a chat with different AI models, top AI models. So let me show you which AI models are currently available. So currently from Google, we have Gemini 1.5 Flash as well as 1.5 Pro. And if you keep your mouse cursor on a particular AI model, you can also see their particular features. So for example, Gemini 1.5 Flash is going to support image generation. So artifact is the feature that lets you visualize your code or preview your code. So that is not available with 1.5 Flash. And then there is also this 1.5 Pro. So it is going to support image, but it doesn't support once again artifact. And then there is also GPT-4o mini, GPT-4o, O1 mini, O1 preview, and then Claude Haiku, 3.5 Haiku, as well as 3.5 Sonnet. So here you get image support as well as artifact that lets you visualize your code or preview your code. And then there are also two very popular models that are currently on on roll. So DeepSeek V3 as well as DeepSeek R1 that beats O1 in literally every benchmark. And there is also DeepSeek V3 that beats ChatGPT 4o in every benchmark. So let me try one of these AI models. I'm going to select GPT-4o mini, and then now I can send any message I want. So there are some pre-given messages such as how to improve work-life balance in a busy schedule. So I'm just going to send this query. And as you can see, I have got the answer just like I got from ChatGPT or any other AI tools. So it is working perfectly. And once I get the answer, I can also copy this answer. And then if I click on this, I can also get some relevant images about this particular query. And then I can also get some YouTube videos or videos on other platform about this particular topic. And then I can also search the web as well as delete this particular query or answer. And I can also attach file, upload files or images or something else. And then I can change some settings. I can enable the artifact directly from here if I want to visualize my code. And then I can also turn on the web search feature. So this is basically how the chat feature is going to work. You're going to get access to all the top AI models. And as more models get released, they are also going to be added to this platform. So you can also use them directly from here. So that's why you do not have to switch between different models such as Gemini. You do not have to go to Google for that, or you do not have to go to Claude for Anthropic or Claude Sonnet. You can get access to all of them on here. And then after this chat feature, we also have the search feature. So this is smart search. So what it does is search for your answer, search for your query from the web. So it is very similar to Perplexity if you have used one. And you can also select the model from here. It could be speed. So if you select speed, it is going to be high speed model generation. If you select quality, it is going to focus more on the quality. And you can also opt for this particular query that is going to use the Claude 3.5 Sonnet model. So for example, I want to know which are the top 10 Netflix shows this month. I can simply select this, or I can also send any other query to the web. All I have to do is just type my message on here, and I can also upload various files, and then I can search for that with this. And then there is also this library. So on this library, you can create various folders. And once you add a folder, you can also add various sources, various knowledge-based sources or content sources. And once you have that, you can also get various answers about that particular content from here. For example, I have already created this folder. Now if I open this, now I can add various sources on here. And then I can also chat with that source. For example, if I want to add source, I can add PDF, text, or I can also add source from website or YouTube. So let me upload a PDF file. Okay, so I'm uploading this SEO basic, this PDF file, and now all I have to do is just click on this. So as you can see, the file has been uploaded. Now if I open this file, on the right side there's going to be a new window, or I can also open a new chat with this file. So all I have to do is just click on new chat. As you can see, the chat has opened, and it has opened based on this particular PDF file, document file that I have uploaded. Now I have got a summary about this PDF file, and I can also ask various questions about this PDF file. And then after this library, we also have this notes section. So we can take various notes on here as well on Zemith. So all I have to do is just click on new note. And as you can see, the note has opened, and we have multiple options while writing the note. So if I type the slash, so now there are multiple features from AI. I can ask the AI to auto-complete a sentence, or I can also provide AI instruction. I can also add various formats such as I can add heading, heading 2, heading 3, bullet list, number list, task list. So there are multiple options on here that I can use in order to make my notes better. And after this note, we also have whiteboard. We can create a whiteboard on here. And here is the whiteboard. So on top, there are multiple options. So first of all, we have this hand, the penning tool, and then selection. And then we can also open a rectangle and then a diamond. So there are multiple options on this whiteboard. And if I want to write something on here, I have to select this pencil, and then I can write anything I want in order to use this whiteboard. I can also add various text. I can even add image. So for that, I have to insert the image from my computer. I can also use the eraser in order to remove something. And then there is also some more tools that I can use on this whiteboard. And on this right side, on these 3 dots, I can also open the whiteboard. I can export the image, reset the canvas, and I can also save it to somewhere else. And I can also change the canvas background if I want. And then there's this creative section where I can make various images, generate images using AI, or I can also convert one image to another. I can replace object, remove object. So there are multiple features on here. And there is also this video generation feature. So what this feature does is takes a static photo, which means you have to upload one photo, and then it is going to turn that into a video, a 4-second video. So if you want that, you can also get the video generation from here. And then there are some options or some images or content that are generated using this platform Zemith. So you can also watch them, and you can also get a history, which means all of your content are going to appear on here. And as for the text to image or image generation, there are multiple models that you can take use of. For example, there is the Flux Nil or the Flux 1.1 Pro or even the Ultra. And then there are also various AI models, image generation models from Stability as well as Google. So Google Imagen 3 or Imagen 3 Fast, you can also make use of them from here. As for the image to image, for that you also have multiple options, as you can see. And then there is also this replace object feature. So you can replace various objects from here. You can also access the remove background or remove object as well as remove background. And then there is replace background, generative fill, and then upscale image. And last but the not least, I have already showed you the video generation feature. So overall, I think Zemith is an excellent tool that lets you access all the top AI models. And other than that, there is also chat, search, note taking, document analysis, image generation, even video generation. And for image generation, there are multiple options such as text to image to image, replacing object or removing background. And there is also a very interesting feature that is Focus OS, which is going to give you a desktop-like interface. And there you are going to get all of the features in one place, all of the features of Zemith. So if you want to buy Zemith on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Keep in mind the price is going to increase after 6 days. So make sure you hurry if you want to buy, and you're going to get the link in the description below. And these are 2 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.